Good evening and welcome to the first game for both of these teams at this tournament. Today we're going to be talking about Team Serbia and the home team, Team Iceland. And off we go. Serbia wins the puck. We can also talk about that Iceland has a really young team in this tournament. We only have 2 players born 2003, I think. Is it right? Ormur has the puck, he shoots. Yes, player number 21, really young but really skillful player. We have a penalty on Team Johan Ragnar Björgvinsson. 2 minutes for, was it interference? Let's see. Yeah, interference. First power play of this game goes to Team Serbia. Yes, we can. We said earlier, number 21 for Team Iceland. Probably the youngest player on the tournament. I believe so. No, it was number 5, Ævar Árgrímsson. Serbia shoots. Nice save from Johan. Oh, nice save from Johan Björgvin. And Iceland clears the puck. We can also talk about the goalie for Team Iceland. He is a really experienced goalie, been playing at the senior team level with the Icelandic national team. He's won 2 goals. Yes, he also was awarded the best player or best goalie of the tournament last April with the senior team. So he's going to be a big help for Team Iceland this tournament. Key player. We don't know a lot about the Serbian team, or I don't know. Do you know something about them?
No, nothing at all.
Serbia are most often really good. So
Yeah, they have a really strong team this year.
Yeah, I think so too. Most of the teams here are really strong, so it's gonna be an interesting tournament. And we have the first icing of the game. Iceland is playing at full strength and offside. Right now we have the third line for Team Iceland against the first line from Team Serbia.
Ooh, big hit.
That's, I would say that is a legal hit, but the referee sees it the other way.
Ooh, oh.
And we have another penalty. Team Iceland, number 9.
Dangerous trip. Or clipping.
Johan Kristjánsson. What was it? Kneeing or tripping?
Kneeing.
Yeah, kneeing. Dangerous play by number 9. Serbia on the power play again. Iceland wins the face-off and clears the puck.
Iceland goes hard on the front.
Serbia skates off the puck. Gets in and
A dangerous scoring chance.
save from Johan Bergen. And we have the first goal of the game. It's the it's a dangerous drop. Dangerous shot. Team Serbia arrived to Iceland this morning, which means Iceland should have a little bit of an advantage. But they are certainly not showing that they showed up this morning.
And no rust at all. Team Serbia is not playing rusty.
And the stretch pass to Hákon on the blue line. Rico has the puck. Tries to find Hákon, he shoots. Wide of the net. Now we get the Icelandic crowd going here. It does a lot for the players hearing the crowd. Gets them a little boost.
Yeah. Always helps to have the crowd with you.
Yes. Oh, Serbia has a breakaway. 2-on-1.
Easy save for Johan.
You can see that Serbia is trying to play the stretch passes to the far blue. So Iceland needs to always have 2 or 3 men ready to go back. Gulli going in, shoots, and the easy stop from Nebojsa Bito. Face up won by Iceland. And Iceland is really
Turnover. Blue
bad turnover.
puck goes out of bounds.
Team Serbia is kind of outplaying Iceland right now.
Yeah, for the first 9 minutes.
First 9 minutes, yes. And that's another goal for Team Serbia. Who is it? Player number 12. Player number 12. Bojan Djordjevic with assist from player number 6, Vuk Savic. You see, did it come from a turnover? Yeah, I think so. Turnover by Team Iceland.
Team Serbia are just much quicker to get the puck.
Yes, 50-50 pucks are really important.
The Icelandic players are really playing on their heels.
Yeah. Yeah, but you can see the stretch passes that Serbia is trying to do. And we have another penalty. It's going against Team Iceland. Player number 18, Arnar Karvelsson.
2 minutes for interference.
2 minutes for interference, yes. So Iceland is on the third PK. This game, only 10 minutes played or so. It's really hard to try to score if you're on the penalty kill more than half of the period. Serbia wants to face off. Player number 9, he steps in, he shoots. Glove save from Jóhann Björgvin Ragnarsson.
Great save right there.
As I said earlier, it's a must to have a good goalie on these kind of tournaments. It can help a lot with the game. Another save from Johan. Iceland has already played 5.5 minutes in the penalty kill this period, which is quite a long time.
I mean, it drains your energy to always play on a PK.
And we have another goal. A shot from the blue line.
Player number 15, Peter Peserik.
Player number 15. With assist from player number 24, the captain, Vuk Kravjanic. Yeah, it's not a lot that the goalie can do in this situation.
A lot of screen in the front.
Yes.
Nobody
Two
blocking the
players
shot.
in front. I believe they have 2 power play goals right now.
Yeah.
2 power play goals.
Halfway through the first period and over the 3-0 for Team Serbia.
And Serbia, player number 16, had a nice try there. And again, player number 5 from Iceland. He's alone. He had player number 13 with him, but couldn't get the puck to him. And it's a dangerous chance for Team Serbia. And a nice block from number 17, Arnar Kristjánsson. Serbia is not afraid of holding the puck.
Oh, big hit.
Big hit from player number 11, Hákon Magnusson. This is what Hákon can bring to the game. It's a really, I can't say he's really big,
But he's a physical player.
yeah, he's a really physical player. And he never steps down from the opponent, which is good. He brings energy to the team.
Penalty for Team Serbia.
First penalty for Team Serbia this game. I didn't see who it was.
Player number 22.
Number 22.
Interference.
Petar Simic. 2 minutes for interference, was it? Yeah.
Team Iceland going over the first power play.
And I believe we have the second power play unit on the ice. And Iceland wins the drop. And Serbia has a breakaway. And it's a goal. Player number 24, the captain again. Iceland are saying that it was not a goal. And the refs are going to talk about it right now. I believe it hits the crossbar, but we will see. The main referee is calling the referee behind the net to see if it went in or not. What do you think?
I'm not sure. It sounded like it hit the
Crossbar? No goal.
no goal.
So it hit the crossbar. Yeah.
Lucky break for Team Iceland.
Really lucky. So Team Iceland is still on the power play. And they're gonna move the face-off outside.
Iceland has the first unit out there right now.
Yes, first power play unit is on the ice. Alex Máni Sveinsson, he loses the puck and Serbia clears it. Hákon, he goes in. And it's another penalty on Team Serbia.
5-on-3 for 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Play number 15. Petar Peseric.
2 minutes for hooking.
A really important 5-on-3 for 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Iceland loses the face-off.
Five on three is a lot of space for the power play. So we will see what Iceland can bring in this power play. Uni, he has the puck. And it's a nice block from player number 11. Serbia has a lot of pressure even though they're playing 5-on-3.
Yeah. They usually play pretty aggressive, even on a penalty kill.
And a nice one-timer from Alex Máni Sveinsson. So we have 8 more seconds on 5-on-3, and after that we move on to 5-on-4. Iceland loses the face-off, and Serbia clears it.
Five on four for 40 seconds. Offside. Team Iceland is starting to get pretty frustrated.
It's a really good pressure from Team Serbia. They're on the Icelandic players all the time. They got no time. We have to remember, Team Iceland is on power play.
Not generating many chances though.
Serbia always has a man pressuring, which makes it a lot harder for Team Iceland to get out of the zone. And now,
Nice pass by Hákon.
He shoots. Guðni Blöndal is fighting for the puck in the corner against player number 4. But Team Serbia has the better of it. And
Great
a nice save from Johan.
Iceland is getting outplayed by Team Serbia right now.
Serbia is always one player on the puck, always chasing, which is really difficult.
Dangerous chance by Iceland.
And now we have a 3-on-1. One minute remaining in the first period.
And a missed chance by Iceland.
Looks like Iceland is picking up their pace a little bit. And now comes Serbia.
Iceland clears it.
And icing.
Iceland's gonna have some tired players out there.
Yes, they've been on for about a minute. It's gonna be important for them to win the face-off. And Iceland clears it, and now they go for a change. Oh, really close.
Danger scoring chance by number 15. Just walk through the Icelandic defense.
Yeah, the players from Team Serbia are really fast, which means that Iceland has to close the middle a little bit more. And a nice save from Johan Birger.
Team Iceland's not doing a good job keeping them out of the middle.
No. So 3 seconds left.
Important face-off. Serbia wins. A nice block. 3-0 after the first period for Team Serbia. folks, and welcome back to this game. Serbia versus Iceland. Serbia has 3 goals against Iceland 0.
Iceland wins the draw. Arnar passes to Ormur and off to Hákon. Hákon skates up the puck. And it's offside.
Iceland looks a little bit more determined right now.
Yeah, the coaches probably said something in the locker room that gave them a little bit more energy.
They're gonna need it. Serbia wins the draw. Nice easy breakout.
Nice breakout. And Iceland loses the puck again.
Good defensive recovery. Good block by Gulli.
It's a lot of board battles right now.
Yep.
And Iceland gets the best of it. And now they go 2-on-1. Gulli shoots. And it goes wide. And the referee is screaming no change.
And the net got loose.
Yeah, so no change for Team Serbia.
Team Iceland was being told to watch the changes.
And Serbia gets one warning. Player number 8 was too quick.
Iceland with a draw. Nice block. And a goal for Team Serbia, player number 9. Matija Dinic. Bad turnover on the blue line by Team Iceland.
I believe it was unassisted.
Yeah.
It's just a clear turnover from Team Iceland.
Iceland has been making a lot of mistakes so far.
And Serbia is really good of using these turnovers. Make
Creating
something
high-
dangerous out of it.
Yeah. Good forecheck. Oh, big hit by Team Serbia.
Serbia is continuing right where they left off last period. A lot of good pressuring and
Full speed, good passes.
Yeah. And again, Team Serbia using the stretch pass. Blind pass in front of the net and a turnover. And Johan fridges the puck.
We have a Mountain Dew bottle on the ice.
Some fan threw it out on the ice. It's not only the players that are frustrated right now.
The fans as well. Team Serbia regrouping in their own zone.
The Icelandic players are putting a little bit more pressure on the Serbian team.
Serbia breaks out of the zone.
And the turnover again.
Big hit by player number 23.
Good pressure from play number 11.
Hard pressure in the corner.
And we got a penalty.
Player number 22 for Team Serbia.
I believe it was tripping.
Most likely.
So Iceland is playing right now 6-on-5. And Serbia gets the hand of the puck. So the second power play for Team Iceland this game.
The first one they almost got a goal against. Let's see
Almost,
if they can,
yes.
see if they
Almost
can
got
do
a
anything
short-handed
better
goal
than
against them.
Let's hope this one goes better.
Iceland wins the draw.
Serbia playing really aggressive.
Play number 5 has the puck. Shoots
Shoot.
over the net.
Serbia clears the puck. Iceland regroups.
Serbia clears the puck.
Serbia is not afraid to put high pressure on a penalty kick.
No, definitely not. And they clear it again. Iceland has a hard time setting up their power play.
The puck's got out of the zone.
And I believe the goalie is getting a 2 minutes for delaying of the game. Serbian team is saying it was intentional from the goalie.
I believe it only deflected off a stick and went out, but I'm not quite sure how the rules work.
Let's see what the referees are saying. They're giving them 2 minutes for delaying of the game.
So we're going 4-on-4 for about a minute.
4-on-4 opens up a lot of space on the ice, which allows players to be more, or use their skills a little bit more.
Team Serbia wins the draw.
And a good save from Johan Bukvin. And player number 13, Unni Blöndal, is serving the penalty for the goalie. Vinko has the puck behind the net. Håkon shoots. A good save from the goalie.
Team Iceland regroups.
Bad turnover from player number 11. Team Serbia is now on the power play.
Iceland clears the puck. Offside.
And we have another penalty for Team Iceland.
2 minutes for tripping. Player number 7. Ormur Jónsson.
So we have a 5-on-3 for about 20 seconds, which opens a lot of space for Team Serbia. Good stick there by player number 22.
Serbia is really putting on some pressure right now. Team Serbia has a 5-on-4 power play for 1 minute and 20 seconds right now. Nice block by Une Blenda. And he's hurt.
That did not sound good.
Hit him right on the skate.
I believe it is his knee. A lot of times the referee doesn't blow the whistle when this happens. I was surprised that they blew the whistle.
It was quite quick.
He saw something was wrong. Team Serbia wins the drop.
Serbia still on power play for 1 minute. Iceland clears the puck.
Good pressure from player number 10. Now Serbia has the time on the puck. Hits the crossbar.
A really good shot by player number 17.
Serbia really quick.
Yeah, they're really controlling the play right now.
Every time they lose the puck, they're on them straight away.
Iceland really needs to put up the pressure if they want to stay in this game.
Yeah. There's a good pressure from player number 18 from Team Iceland.
Hard battle by the boards.
Another penalty for Team Iceland.
They're playing really frustrated right now. A roughing penalty.
Player number 6. Mikael Atlason. So Serbia on the power play.
Yet again. Iceland doesn't stand much of a chance if they're all gonna keep taking penalties.
Yeah. You can win a lot of hockey games if you get a lot of power plays.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
And also with a team like Serbia, they control the puck very well.
Great block from player number 17, Arnar Kristjánsson. And he's hurt.
It's a second player for Team Iceland to get hurt after blocking a shot.
That's a team player sacrificing himself for the team. Good play from player number 17. Serbia wins the face-off and they're under control. Another one-timer from player number 9. Mataja Dinic.
Serbia really can take their time on the power play. Team Iceland doesn't have much pressure like Serbia does.
They're really gonna have to watch out for player number 9, Mataja Dinic. He's a really good shot. Great save from Johan Björn.
Dangerous scoring chance there, but a great save.
A really good power play from Team Serbia.
Iceland wins the draw and clears it.
50 seconds left on power play. It's a penalty on Team Serbia.
Player number 15, roughing. 2 minutes.
It's a lot of penalties in this game.
The referee is really controlling the game right now.
Yeah.
4-on-4 for 45 seconds. A lot of space on the ice, so if you're a good skater, Serbian player number 8.
Iceland has their first line on the ice. Really skillful line. All of the players have played in Sweden. It's helped them a lot with their development. And Håkon gets a great save.
Dangerous scoring chance, but a great save. Four and four for 6 more seconds, and then Team Iceland gets on a power play.
Iceland on the power play.
Trying to put on some pressure. Regroup in the neutral zone. Serbia clears it.
Play number 24 for Team Serbia, putting a really good pressure on them.
Killing time for a penalty kill.
Good shot from player number 16.
And then draws a penalty.
Two minutes for
Roughing.
roughing.
at least 2 minutes. Could get more maybe.
Yet another penalty for Team Iceland.
So we have 4-on-4 play for about 20 seconds, and then Serbia gets on a power play.
I don't think we have had 5-on-5 play in a long time.
That's true. After wins the puck. Broken play, but they get in the zone. High pressure by Iceland, but Serbia gets it.
Serbia is 3-on-2.
Shot wide. Serbia controls the puck. They're just taking their time.
And then we have player number 9.
He likes to take that one-timer.
He has a really hard shot. Good block from player number 18, Arnar Karlsson.
And Johan freezes the puck. Team Serbia has a power play for 30 more seconds. They've been really dangerous on the power play.
Yeah. Iceland clears the puck. Player number 22 putting a really good pressure on the Serbian defenseman.
Iceland clears it.
And they go for a change.
Team Iceland's playing at full strength. Nice breakout by Team Iceland. Serbia dumps it in and refers to the puck. Oh, big hit in the corner.
Player number 11, Hákon Magnusson. Like we said earlier, he likes to hit.
Iceland is putting on some pressure right now. Up in the tempo.
Player number 5 puts it deep.
Player number 17 is getting up the ice. Oh, dangerous scoring chance by Serbia. But a good save by Johan in net. Iceland has had some okay sprints during the game,
Yeah.
but Team Serbia has been more consistent.
Serbia has about 19 shots on goal against 8. And we have another goal for Team
Great
Serbia.
play by Team Serbia. Player number 8, Jenko Alicevic. All alone in the slot. Gets a great pass.
From player number 22, Petar Simic.
Kind of an easy goal for Team Serbia right there. Nice pressure by Team Iceland. But Serbia eventually gets it out. He goes 1 against 3 and he still has the puck. Good shot by Serbia.
Some fighting in front of the net.
It's getting a little bit heated. We have 1 minute remaining in the second period. Team Serbia leads 5-0. Face off won by Iceland, but Team Serbia gets a puck.
And Serbia is 2-on-1, and it's a goal.
A goal and a penalty. It's just a nice breakout by Team Serbia.
I believe it was offside.
And then after the play, after a goal, a roughing penalty on Team Serbia. Cross-checking penalty on Serbian player number 9, I believe, Matija Dinic.
So Iceland is going to play the rest of the period on the power play. And they will start the third period on the power play. (6-0) for Team Serbia.
Regroup for Iceland. Niels skates the puck up the ice.
He's really quick.
Still has
He
the puck.
gets-
A little bit of fighting in the corner. Second period ends. Iceland 0, Serbia 6 after 2 periods of play. Welcome back to this game, Iceland against Serbia. The score after 2 periods is 6 Serbia against 0 for Iceland.
The Serbian team has been outplaying Iceland in this game.
They've been very dominant so far.
And Iceland are changing the goalie. In comes Helgi Ivarsson. And out goes Jóhann Björgvin Ragnarsson. And Iceland are starting on the power play. Right now it's a good opportunity for Team Iceland to get on the board.
Yep. Iceland has had some pretty okay sprints during the game, but Team Serbia has been way more consistent.
They have a 2-on-1. And it's a goal!
They score. Player number 19, Kristján Jóhannesson.
With assist from player number 12, Viggo Hlynsson. Iceland is on the board.
It's a good start for Team Iceland, but let's hope they can build on it.
And I believe it's his first goal for the U20 national team.
Hard pressure by Unni Blöndal. Oh, nice reception. Team Serbia almost got a breakaway there. No pressure by Team Iceland.
High stick on Team Serbia.
Face off goes outside. Serbia dumps the puck in. Goes full pressure.
They're really good in the corners.
Yeah.
They're holding the puck, playing it when it's open.
Great chance by player number 19. Just misses wide.
And goalie freezes the puck.
Turnover by Team Iceland.
Nice tip there from player number 13.
Håkon going hard on the forecheck. And Iceland wins the puck. Misses wide.
Rune Blöndal puts it deep.
And Iceland makes a change.
Sloppy passing there from player number 17 from Team Iceland.
You can see Iceland gets it deep, but they're not pressuring nearly as hard as Serbia has been doing.
No, definitely not.
Nice breakout by Iceland. Stopped on the blue line in turnover.
4 on 3.
Quick shot over the net. Serbia working the corners. And Iceland gets it out. But it's icing.
Iceland are 6 on the ice. It's a good shot and a nice save.
Iceland struggling to get out. Serbia has been picking up their passes quite easily today.
Good pass there from player number 14.
Team Serbia are always overmanning the puck.
And Håkon gets a breakaway, but loses the puck.
Niels has the puck.
Rune
Shot
misses
wide.
the net.
Nice tackle by Team Iceland. Slow pressure. Iceland is playing way too passive.
I believe this is the youngest U20 national team Iceland has ever had.
It kind of shows. They seem a little bit stressed on the ice.
So the other teams probably have a little bit more experienced players. A great block from player number 5, Ivar Argrímsson.
Great chance by Team Serbia, but a nice save by Helgi. Serbia working the corners, but lose the puck outside.
Serbia on the break again. A nice move, but he misses.
Just misses. This is Iceland's second tournament in this group, right?
Yes, last year there was no team that went down because of Russia, I believe.
Yeah. So this year we have about 3 teams that have very little experience in this 2B.
We have a penalty on Team Serbia. It's play number 13.
Minja Ivanovic. 2 minutes for cross-checking.
Yeah, so we have 3 teams that are not so experienced in this league. I believe it's Chinese Taipei, Mexico and Iceland.
Yeah. Serbia really aggressive on a penalty kill. And they clear it. Iceland needs to regroup. And they lose the puck. But get it right back. Unni Blöndal skating off the ice. And Team Serbia clears the puck. Team Iceland is having a really hard time getting into the zone right now.
Serbia is closing the middle really good, which makes it really hard for Team Iceland to get in the zone.
Ivar skating with the puck. Finally some zone time that ends with an easy shot for the Serbian goalie.
So the 4th line for Team Iceland is going to finish this power play. And Iceland wins the draw. A really good shot from player number 23.
Team Serbia clears the puck and Iceland needs to regroup. Iceland mismanaging the puck.
A really nice hit there from play number 23. Benedikt Olgeirsson.
Nice breakout by Team Iceland. The puck goes out of bounds. Serbia wins the draw. Dump it in. Nice hard pressure by Serbia. Shot goes wide.
Hákon skates up the puck. He goes through the middle and he gets slashed, hooked.
I don't know, draws a penalty. High stick.
So Iceland on the power play again.
Could be a double minor.
You can see him skate up the middle there. Yeah, he gets a stick to the face. So it depends if he's bleeding or not.
Yeah.
I believe it's only 2 minutes.
Yes. But another power play for Iceland. The referee has had to be really active in this game.
Yeah.
Iceland wins the draw.
The Iceland also have some good shooters in the power play. On this line it's number 5, Ævar Hallgrímsson.
Also number 16, Gunnlaugur Þorsteinsson. He has a really quick release.
I'm gonna say that Ævar Hallgrímsson has the hardest shot in this division.
Oh yeah, probably. At least the hardest snapshot. Bouncing
And
puck.
it's a good shot from Niels.
Hits the crossbar. Battle in the corner. Serbia outmanning the puck. But Ævar's a big boy. Iceland gets the puck.
Great block.
Offside on Team Iceland.
So it's 1 minute and 15 seconds left of the power play.
Iceland finally got some zone time on the power play.
So right now the shots are 29 to 14. Serbia has 29 shots against 14 Icelandic shots.
Team Iceland got away with the penalty right there. And turnover. Hard forecheck by Hákon.
It's a little bit of a chaos in the corner. Viggo passes it to Alex, and he hits the crossbar.
2 crossbars on this power play.
Great block there from player number 9.
Team Iceland looks a little bit more composed right now.
And Serbia has a breakaway. And they score.
Player number 9. Matija Dinic. A really bad change for Team Iceland right there. Easy breakaway for Team Serbia. To one of their most dangerous players.
2 goals in this game for Matija Dinic.
Some bad passing by Team Iceland and a turnover. Battle behind the net, and Iceland clears it.
Ormur's getting pressured there by player number 12 from Team Serbia.
Fine breakout by Iceland. And Joey Mar got a nice shot on the net there. Iceland is really putting up the pressure right now.
And Iceland is getting another penalty. Oh, really nice move from player number 22.
Player number 18 for Team Iceland.
Arnar Karlsson
Gets a 2-minute penalty for hooking.
Iceland on the penalty again.
I wonder how many penalties they've got this game. "16 penalties for Team Iceland this game, and only 10 for Team Serbia." Nice block there from Gunnlaugur Thorsteinsson. Iceland almost got a chance there, but the Serbian defenseman stopped it. A lot of pressure from the Icelandic penalty kill right now.
Great pass. Yeah, Iceland almost played 1 period on the penalty kill.
You can't win a game like that. Iceland clears it. And they make a change. Serbia regroups. Easy breakout for Serbia. A high danger chance. One of the Serbian players.
He got hit really hard there by player number 23, Benedikt Olgeirsson. I believe he has to change because they stopped the game. Three and a half minutes left of the third period.
Iceland dumps it in. Nice move by player number 22. Good save by Helgi.
Serbia is getting a penalty. Play number 22, Petar Simic. Two minutes for.
Not sure. Gonna have to wait for the announcement. So we're playing 4-on-4 for 2 seconds, and then Iceland is on the power play. We got a 2-minute penalty for checking to the head.
It's his third time taking a penalty this game. We've got a little fight going on here, and I believe they're
Given a penalty
so 5-on-3 for Iceland.
for 1.5 minutes.
And it's player number 11, Vukasin Jinčić.
2 minutes for cross-checking. And Iceland's supposed to take a timeout.
They're not allowed to take a timeout. I don't know why.
I think that captain needs to speak up a little bit. Hákon is known for having a big mouth, but right now he chose not to use it.
And Serbia clears the puck.
So we have a 5-on-3 for about a minute and 20 seconds. Fainted on that shot. Some nice passing by Team Iceland. Another crossbar.
We have about 3 or 4 crossbars this period for Team Iceland.
All on the power play. One minute left of the 5-on-3. Serbia wins the face-off.
And he hits his own defender in the back.
Team Iceland is not pressuring very hard considering they're playing 5-on-3. Hákon takes it off the ice. Ooh, nice shot, but a good save. Great scoring chance for Hákon, but a greater save by Neil Beaton. Great shot. He had the whole net open, but he didn't get quite a lot on it. A great save by the goalie. Iceland loses the draw.
10 seconds left
On the power play. Ivar has the puck.
Some nice passing there.
Couldn't capitalize on the chance.
Iceland now playing 5-on-4 for 15 seconds.
Lille carrying the puck. Nice defensive play by number 24. 5-on-5. Joey has the puck. Hard shot by Joey there. Ten seconds left of the game.
And there we have it.
Final score: Serbia 7, Iceland 1.
Now there will be awarded best player of the game for each team. So both teams are going to line up on the blue line.
Presenting the awards for best player of each team during this game from Ice Hockey Iceland Erla Johannesdóttir.
Erla Johannesdóttir is presenting the award.
Player number 11, Hákon Magnússon.
And it's the captain, number 11, Hákon Magnússon. A well-deserved prize.
Had a good game, played hard.
Best player of Team Serbia. Player number 24.
And for Team Serbia, it's number 24, the captain, Vuk Kravljanac.
And now we're going to be hearing the national anthem of Serbia.
Ladies and gentlemen, please play the national anthem of Serbia. See you again.